This is the open house for Doug Fisk's antique tractor auction. We're having just a walkthrough here. We've got them all displayed along the street, so I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of everything we've got. There's International Harvesters, Alice Chalmers. There's Awards Twin Row, BF Avery, John Deere. Mostly International Farmalls. That was my dad's passion, to check out the Farmall tractors. Most of these are from the 1950s and 60s, but there's some others in here. This 8N Ford is kind of a special one. It's got relatively low hours, 700 hours, original paint, original rubber on it. Let's see. So here's some of the International Farmall collection here, going along. Another one special coming up here is this AR John Deere. That was one of the original ones in the collection. My dad bought that in the 1970s in Modena, Wisconsin. There you see my dad in the background talking to some tractor enthusiasts. He's the one in the white and green hat. Well, let's keep going here. We've got some Minneapolis Molines. They were part of the BF Avery line. This McCormick Deering is interesting. It's a crank start. It's kind of fun to see that get started up, but it's got to be physically turned there. We'll keep going. More Minneapolis Moline. This 620 John Deere was special. This was my grandfather's tractor. He purchased this in 1958, I believe. It's been in the family ever since that time. It's got an International Harvester radio on it. My dad worked for International Harvester back in the 60s, and that was a Christmas gift for my grandfather to put an AM radio on it. Reportedly, my grandfather was delighted to have that AM radio on his tractor. Here we have some of the smaller ones. Some of these International Farmalls are real cute. And then finally, we finish up with some lawn and garden tractors here. You can see there's several different Cub Cadets. Some of these are from the early 60s. I think there's one from 61, 62, 63, and so on. Okay, and that's the end. Well, we hope you'll come to our auction tomorrow. It's June 21st. The in-person part of the auction starts at 10 o'clock. The bidding for tractors, including the online bidding, starts at 11. We hope to see you there.